Welcome to the Biologics Manufacturing Centre, an end-to-end biomanufacturing facility for the production of biopharmaceuticals, like viral vector, protein subunit, and virus-like particle vaccines and other biologics. Bioreactors and mixers at the Biologics Manufacturing Centre are single-use, lined with disposable plastic bags to reduce the risk of contamination. Downstream operations include 4 state-of-the-art automated systems for protein purification based on chromatography separation technologies. The fill and finish suite includes space and capacity for formulation and the fully robotic aseptic filling equipment for sterile filling and secure capping of vials. The automated in-process controls, calibrations, quality sampling, and environmental monitoring minimize human interaction and virtually eliminate the risk of contamination. In the facility's quality control labs, experts test and analyze samples throughout the production process for quality, safety, efficacy, and to ensure products meet client specifications. The Biologics Manufacturing Centre can scale up from 1.5 milliliters of cell seed to 2,000 liters of cell culture by creating optimal growth conditions in successively larger vessels. The first of 2 production suites includes 2 bioreactors, a 200-liter, and the facility's largest at 2,000 liters. The automated in-process controls, calibrations, quality sampling, and environmental monitoring minimize human interaction and virtually eliminate the risk of contamination. Unique in Canada, the Biologics Manufacturing Centre was built to fulfill a public good mandate by supporting growth of Canada's biomanufacturing sector, helping retain domestic biomanufacturing knowledge and capacity, and ensuring vaccines and other biologics can be safely manufactured in Canada, now and into the future.